Hi, just a short video to show you this Dyson V6 animal cordless vacuum cleaner. So it comes with its official charger and docking station, has no screws to attach it to the wall, any screws will do really, a combination tool and crevice tool, the brush head. This has been fully taken apart, cleaned and put back together again. The wand, which does have silly little surface scratches on it, and the actual Dyson itself. It has a clean filter. I've washed the head out and the bin. It does have scratches on it from usage. It comes with a brand new 4000 mAh battery, and this is brand new just for this listing. So when you pull the trigger, that's economy mode. Pull it, button on the back changes between economy mode, max mode or boost it's called. The blue light means it's on boost mode. When it's on max mode, it drains the battery a lot quicker. On a Dyson battery it only lasts about 6 minutes. I'll just show it working. I'll put it all together. Try to do this one-handed. I do have about 7 of these listed on eBay, all refurbished. I won't put it on the floor, it'll be dirty. There you go. To empty it, simply pull down on this red and comes out the bottom. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask.